Common risks faced by property flippers. The world of property flipping, though often portrayed as a swift avenue to substantial profits, is not for the faint of heart. Beyond the glossy television shows and success stories lie a myriad of risks that can turn what seems like a promising venture into a financial nightmare. To succeed, property flippers must not only be skilled in identifying opportunities but also adept at managing and mitigating risks. One of the fundamental risks that property flippers face is the state of the real estate market itself. In a seller's market, where demand outpaces supply, flipping properties can yield significant profits. However, the real estate landscape is highly cyclical, and today, we find ourselves in a buyer's market, with foreclosures at record highs. This saturation of available properties poses a considerable challenge. Convincing buyers to pay top dollar when more affordable options are readily available is no small feat. This challenge lies at the heart of the risks associated with property flipping. In the face of these market dynamics, property flippers must be equipped to acquire, rehabilitate, and sell properties quickly. But, the current market conditions make this process increasingly difficult. The worst-case scenario for a property flipper in these conditions is being forced to absorb a financial loss. In extreme cases, this can lead to serious financial hardship or even bankruptcy. Alternatively, property flippers may decide to rent the property out, but this often negates the efforts and expenses invested in rehabilitating it. The inability to sell a property remains one of the most significant fears for property investors. Another notable risk is the propensity to underestimate the costs involved in property rehabilitation. This is a common pitfall for first-time investors who may not fully grasp how far their budget will stretch when it comes to purchasing materials and hiring labor for renovations. Even seemingly minor cosmetic repairs throughout a house can escalate into substantial expenses. However, once these repairs are successfully completed, the potential profits can be substantial. Another risk that often goes unnoticed is overestimating one's abilities. Many property flippers embark on DIY projects, believing they can handle various tasks themselves. However, these endeavors can lead to both material wastage and unforeseen costs. When inexperienced investors attempt tasks beyond their skill set, they often end up hiring professionals to rectify their mistakes and replace wasted materials. This not only leads to financial losses but also disrupts project timelines. Additionally, property flippers may experience project delays due to various factors, including inclement weather, unexpected structural issues, or even changes in zoning regulations. These delays can result in increased holding costs, such as property taxes, insurance, and loan interest. Missing deadlines can also affect overall profitability. Furthermore, the local economy and housing market can be profoundly affected by unforeseen events. Sudden announcements of major employers going out of business, economic downturns, or global crises can dramatically impact property values and market dynamics. These external factors can leave property flippers feeling as lost and devastated as those directly affected. In conclusion, the risks associated with property flipping are significant and multifaceted. Successful property flippers must be diligent in assessing these risks, developing strategies to mitigate them, and maintaining financial flexibility to weather unexpected challenges. While the allure of high profits in real estate flipping is undeniable, the risks should never be underestimated. Now, let's shift our focus to another critical aspect of real estate, the role of curb appeal in property sales. Curb appeal matters when selling real estate. Curb appeal, often described as the wow factor of a property's exterior, plays a crucial role in attracting buyers or renters and influencing their perception of a home. It's the first impression that can make or break a sale. Let's explore in greater detail the importance of curb appeal and how it can significantly impact your real estate endeavors. As potential buyers or renters approach a property, the exterior is their initial point of contact. This first impression sets the stage for their overall perception of the home. To maximize your chances of success, it's essential to make the exterior of your home as inviting and appealing as possible. But before we delve into this topic, please take a moment to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more valuable real estate insights. One of the primary elements that can instantly turn off prospective buyers or renters is the sight of a deteriorating exterior. Crumbling paint, peeling siding, or drab, faded colors can give the impression of neglect and disrepair. A practical solution to revitalizing a tired exterior is vinyl siding. Not only is it easy to clean and rejuvenate, but it also requires minimal maintenance, making it an attractive option for a broad range of buyers and renters. However, it's essential to acknowledge that some individuals may prefer traditional paint, as they believe siding can detract from a property's character. The choice between siding and paint is ultimately a personal one, but in either case, maintaining a clean, well-kept exterior is paramount. When considering curb appeal, remember that first impressions matter significantly. If the exterior of your home fails to impress, potential buyers or renters may not be inclined to explore the hidden treasures within. To create an inviting atmosphere, it's crucial to enhance key rooms both inside and outside the home. The primary indoor spaces that significantly influence potential buyers or renters are the living room, dining room, master bedroom, and all bathrooms. Ensuring these areas are tidy, well-organized, and thoughtfully furnished can greatly enhance your property's appeal. Adding prints, mirrors, plants, and pillows can help create an atmosphere of warmth and comfort, making visitors feel more at home. However, staging isn't limited to the interior of the property. The exterior plays a crucial role in shaping the overall impression. Landscaping is a powerful tool in enhancing curb appeal. Consider planting low-maintenance flowers and plants around the exterior of the home. Opt for varieties that don't require constant care and won't grow excessively, as an unruly garden can deter potential buyers or renters. Ideally, you want to create an outdoor space that complements the home's overall aesthetic without overwhelming it. In regions with water scarcity or where lush lawns are impractical, consider alternatives such as xeriscaping. This landscaping method doesn't rely on vast expanses of grass, reducing water consumption while maintaining visual appeal. The goal is to make the home's exterior as attractive as its interior, ensuring a lasting positive impression. Don't overlook the importance of clean sidewalks and driveways, especially if they are made of concrete. A high-pressure washer can work wonders, revitalizing these surfaces. But don't stop there. Ensure doors and windows are also spotless. These seemingly small details can have a significant impact on the overall perception of your property. Buyers and renters often assume that a well-maintained exterior reflects equal care inside the home. Another powerful tool in enhancing your property's appeal is fragrance. The aroma of freshly baked cookies or blooming flowers can evoke feelings of home. Strategically placed scented candles, potpourri warmers, dry potpourri, fresh-cut flowers, and electric air fresheners can create a welcoming atmosphere. However, be cautious not to overwhelm visitors with overpowering scents, as this can be off-putting. In conclusion, the answer to whether staging sells real estate is a resounding yes. Staging, both inside and outside the home, can significantly increase your chances of receiving higher offers and achieving faster sales, even in a challenging market. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of common risks in property flipping and the importance of curb appeal in real estate. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions on the dynamic world of real estate investment.